Good morning, affiliates. Matty Mac here again, just with another video. We're going to dive into Clickbank and see what's new, what's coming up, what's new. I always love to find out the new offers because no one's really promoted them before, so you can get the jump on everyone else. So by all means, just go in, have a search, and just adjust the the tracking and find out which ones have dropped first, and see if you can get, as I said, get the jump on other people. So all you need to do is go into your filter here and just adjust onto offers that have dropped in the last week. I like to. Not today, about a week. And let's have a look. Try and stick to your own niche, of course. Don't just promote every old thing. And there's a couple of things that we want to have a look for. Child's learning, so children learning. Love, dating and relationships, if that's your niche. Keto masterclass, so if you're in the health niche, again. Internet marketing, that's more my style. Let's have a look at that. Vegan, 28-day vegan challenge. They're pretty good, those timeline challenges. They usually get quite a lot of traffic through to it. Don't really like the landing page, but I think I've seen somebody drop this all over Facebook last night. So a $7 book, and you can be almost sure there's going to be a follow-up sequence with that. So let's just see what it is. If there is so there's an email address, not really a JV page. So I say always look for a JV page, but let's just see if this is JV page or somebody just set an email. It's the same landing page. Damn. That's a pity. Anyway, you can check that out if that's something that may be of interest. Pity they don't have a JV page to help you promote it, give you a bunch of information. Maybe if you email them, maybe they do. Vegan, no, definitely not me. Okay, so they're the ones that have dropped in the last week. Nothing really that grabs my attention too much. If there is one that really does, now's the time. If it's just dropped in the last week, get all your cards in order, get all your ducks in a line, and build your landing page, email follow-up sequence, of course. Hopefully, via the JV, they would have given you a lot of information. Build out your funnel, and hit it hard. It's just dropped, so pretty soon, in another, give it 2 to 3 weeks, people are going to start to search for it. And if you can get that information on your blog, your WordPress blog, it'll start to get organic traffic. So use some keywords, some relevant keywords, and you might get the jump on other people before they do. Do a review video, drop that first. If you're the first one with a review video on YouTube, you usually get hit pretty hard with it. So yeah, quick one today. So that was it. I like to do that every week. Just jump on and see what offers are coming out, and get a feel for it. But it's best to be first out of the gate. So jump into it, see how you go.